Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today let's discuss how to know if your AliExpress order is delivered. The easiest way is to check the order tracking inside the AliExpress application. So let's open AliExpress and go to your account at the bottom right and go to section My Orders. Now find order that you want to track, tap on it to open its details, and then press button Track. So there you should see your latest tracking updates. For example, if it says delivered, that means that the package has reached the address that you have provided. Also, basically it should look like this. This is your tracking information page. You can find your tracking number. I have mine right here. And check it on your local postal service website for more detailed updates, or you can use any other tracker, universal tracker. They are all working according to similar principles, so it doesn't really matter which exactly you use. But for example, AliExpress offers me that I use 17 track website. For example, if the tracking says status delivered but you never got your item, you can open a dispute in AliExpress with evidence, and they will step in to help you and get your refund. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.